Join me as I outline the next 25 jobs that are being replaced by AI. Let's see if your job makes the list. But listen carefully, because this isn't just a list of disappearing jobs. It's a warning, a signal of what's coming, and it may be the wake-up call you've been waiting for. The truth is this: we are standing at the edge of one of the greatest technological shifts in human history. The kind of change that doesn't just rewrite industries, it rewrites lives. The jobs we thought were secure, the careers we thought would last a lifetime, are suddenly being swallowed by a force most of us can't control. Artificial intelligence. The world is changing fast. Technology isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Every year, new breakthroughs push us further into a future we once thought belonged only in science fiction. And one of the greatest fears of this new era? Technological unemployment. That's when human jobs are taken over by machines, algorithms, and AI systems that never get tired, never ask for a paycheck, and never call in sick. This isn't just about robots building cars in a factory. No, this is about intelligent systems that can think, adapt, and perform tasks that once required years of human training. It's about software that doesn't just follow rules, but learns from experience. The result? AI is beginning to invade industries that were once thought untouchable. From finance to healthcare, from education to the creative arts, no sector is completely safe. Let's be real. When jobs disappear, it's not just numbers on a spreadsheet. It's families, it's communities, it's people suddenly realizing that the skills they spent decades building can be done faster, cheaper, and sometimes better by a machine. And here's the kicker: when people lose their jobs, they don't just lose income, they lose confidence, they lose security. And when millions of people face that same reality at the same time, entire economies shake. So the question is, which jobs are next? Today, we're going to look at 25 jobs that are already being automated by AI. Some might surprise you, some you probably expected, but all of them carry a lesson, a warning that we need to pay attention to right now. Let's start the countdown. 1. Data entry clerks. At the top of the list, data entry, clerks. Why? Because AI already does this better. Machines can process massive amounts of information in seconds, spot errors humans miss, and do it 24/7. Entire departments of human clerks are being replaced by a single algorithm. 2. Customer service representatives. Remember when customer service was about waiting on hold for 30 minutes to talk to a human? Today, chatbots and virtual assistants handle millions of conversations at once. They don't get angry, they don't need sleep, and they're getting so good you often can't tell if you're speaking to a person or an AI. 3. Bookkeeping, accounting, and auditing. Clerks. Numbers don't lie. And now, machines don't make mistakes either. AI-driven accounting systems are taking over everything from tax prep to financial audits, reducing the need for human clerks. What once required a small team can now be done with software. 4. Telemarketers. Think about it. Cold calling is about persistence, persuasion, and patience. 3 things AI is mastering. AI-driven sales bots can dial thousands of people per day, tailor pitches instantly, and never sound bored or tired. 5. Transcriptionists. For decades, transcriptionists listened to audio and typed it into text. Today, AI transcription software can do it instantly with near-perfect accuracy. Courtrooms, hospitals, media companies, almost all of them are switching to machines. 6. Retail cashiers. With self-checkout kiosks and AI-powered payment systems, human cashiers are slowly becoming obsolete. Mobile payment apps are accelerating this trend. In some countries, entire supermarkets already run without a single cashier. 7. Bank tellers. The same goes for bank tellers, online banking, ATMs, and now AI-driven financial assistants mean fewer reasons to step inside a bank branch. In fact, many banks are closing branches entirely. 8. Travel agents. Once upon a time, booking a trip required a travel agent. Now, AI can scan thousands of flights, hotels, and vacation packages in seconds, giving you the cheapest and most personalized options without human help. 9. Manufacturing workers. Factory automation isn't new, but with AI-powered robotics, the next generation of factories will be run with minimal human involvement. Jobs that involve repetitive, physical tasks are the most at risk. 10. Fast food workers. Self-ordering kiosks, robotic burger flippers, automated drink dispensers. Big fast food chains are already testing AI-powered restaurants. And once customers get used to it, there's no turning back. 11. Paralegals and legal assistants. AI can now scan thousands of legal documents, draft contracts, and even identify case precedents faster than human assistants. Law firms are already cutting back on junior staff. 12. Proofreaders and editors. Grammarly. ChatGPT, AI-powered editing software, can detect errors, improve style, and even rewrite paragraphs. Human editors still matter for nuance, but the demand is shrinking. 13. Radiologists and medical analysts. This one shocks people. AI systems are already outperforming doctors at reading X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. They can detect diseases earlier, with higher accuracy and at scale. 14. Truck drivers. This is the big one. Self-driving trucks are already being tested on highways. And when the tech becomes mainstream, millions of truck drivers could be replaced. This is one of the largest potential waves of job loss in modern history. 15. Taxi and rideshare drivers. If trucks can drive themselves, so can Ubers. Autonomous rideshare fleets are already being tested in major cities. 16. Warehouse workers. Amazon's warehouses are already filled with robots, and AI is making them smarter, able to navigate, pick, and pack without human supervision. 17. Receptionists. AI-powered virtual assistants can now schedule appointments, answer calls, and greet customers through kiosks or apps. 18. Market research analysts. Why pay a human to analyze data when AI can scan millions of consumer behaviors and generate insights instantly? 19. Security guards, low-level monitoring. AI-powered surveillance systems can monitor thousands of cameras at once, detecting suspicious behavior more reliably than humans. 20. Delivery drivers. Drone deliveries. Self-driving vans. The last-mile delivery job might not survive this decade. 21. Librarians and archivists. Digitization and AI-powered search engines mean fewer humans are needed to manage large information collections. 22. Teachers, entry-level and online tutoring. Not all teachers, but entry-level tutoring and online education jobs are at risk. AI tutors can provide personalized learning at scale. 23. Journalists, basic reporting. AI can already write sports recaps, financial reports, and news briefs automatically. Human journalists still matter, but routine reporting is vanishing. 24. HR recruiters, AI-driven hiring platforms can scan resumes, conduct pre-interviews, and shortlist candidates instantly. 25. Graphic designers, basic work. This is controversial, but tools like Midjourney, Canva AI, and Adobe Firefly are already creating logos, ads, and visuals that used to take designers hours. So there you have it, 25 jobs that AI has taken over. But here's the truth. This isn't just about jobs disappearing. It's about a massive transformation of the workforce. Some jobs will vanish, others will change. And entirely new jobs will be born that we can't even imagine today. If your job is on this list, don't panic. Instead, prepare. Learn new skills and adapt. Because in every disruption, there is opportunity. The people who thrive in this new world won't be the ones who fight the change. They'll be the ones who ride the wave of change. We're not just talking about the future of jobs. We're talking about the future of humanity's role in work. Will AI replace us, or will AI empower us? That depends on how we adapt, how we lead, and how we prepare. So I'll leave you with this. Which jobs do you think are most at risk, and which ones do you think will survive? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear from you. The question is not whether AI is coming for our jobs. The question is, are you ready for it? And if you found this video valuable, make sure you check out my other deep dives on technology, AI, and the future of work, because this is just the beginning.